Hi, and welcome to Yee Fit Fuel. Today I will be making pizza with Josiah. So let's get started.
Yeah!
400 degrees. And we're gonna preheat for 5 minutes. First, what we're gonna do is we're going to add some sauce. Okay. Do sauce first. You want to get a scoop of sauce first? One scoop. Here. And then spread it around like this. Put the cheese on. A little more cheese. Very good. Okay, that's enough. So we're gonna put this on top like this. Well, first what we're gonna do is pop it in the air fryer so that it gets crispier. As you can see, we are using tortilla for our crust. We're using a double layer with sauce and cheese in the middle. This will give it a nice chewy texture when we put it in the air fryer. Alright, our air fryer is just about preheated. So we're going to stick ours into the air fryer for a couple minutes just to crisp it up. And then we'll take it out and put the second layer on. Alright, let's put our pizza in. Ooh, it's hot. Alright, and we will set it for 400 degrees for just about 3 minutes. We will be using 4 ml pepperoni to top our pizza. Welcome back.
Yeah.
Our pizza has pre-cooked the crust.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do now is add an extra layer of sauce.
What's that? Smash that.
So you can see around the edge, the first tortilla has crisped up. We wanted a crispy crust. I've done it in the past, and yeah, go ahead, put the cheese on. The first time I tried this, the crust on the bottom was a little soggy because I didn't preheat the crust. So this time, what I did was stuck the crust in the air fryer. It crisped up the top. We flip it over, and then we put our second top in on the other side. Right, make sure it's all over on this side. Alright, good job. And as a topping, we have some pepperoni. Joe's gonna put some pepperoni on. So first, let's put it around the side. Hey, there you go, good job. We are going to add a little bit of Trader Joe's 21 seasoning. This has some Italian spices in it. Has some bay leaf, some clovers, onion, black pepper, salt, basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary. Alright. Okay, put a couple more pepperonis on here, Joe. And we're gonna add a little bit more cheese so it holds down the pepperoni. Lots of cheese.
Another one?
Sure, right here. One more here. Alright, good job. Pizza is ready to go into the air fryer. Down there, keep a little spatula. Stick it in there, in the middle. We're gonna spray a little olive oil on the top. Stick it into the air fryer, 400 degrees. And all we need is a couple minutes. We'll set it for 4. Ooh, yeah. Look at that.
Look at that.
Pepperoni pizza.
Let me see.
Alright, hold on. Our pizza is ready. It's cooled down. You can smell the Italian seasonings. We're gonna cut into it. Hear the crunch. Is it good? There you go. Daddy's gonna try a little piece. Okay. It's good. You like it? What do you like about the pizza?
Two little dada.
Put that down. Okay? Put that down.
Yeah.
Put that down, please. Okay. Eat the pizza.
You eat this pizza.
Me eat this one? You want a different one? You want that one?
You.
Okay, here, hold this.
Yum.
Yum. Yummy. Is it hot?
No.
No. This is making air fryer pizza with Josiah.
Yeah.
He really enjoyed helping me make it.
Yeah.
And we hope you to come watch our other videos.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.